Think your English grammar is good? Try this test. The grammar mistakes even advanced learners make. 15 grammar questions that trick almost everyone. Thousands of English learners make the same grammar mistakes again and again. Some answers look obvious, but hidden traps change everything. Let's see how many you can get right. $50 is enough for the ticket. $50 is treated as one amount of money, so English uses a singular verb. She is living in London now. She is there for a short-term project. She is there temporarily, not permanently, so we use present continuous to emphasize a temporary situation. Many accidents happen because some drivers are too careless while using their phones on the road. The context describes dangerous behavior, so we need a negative adjective. Robert, together with his friends, plans to open a new business. Together with his friends is extra information, so the verb agrees with the subject, Robert. According to the forecast, the temperature will drop during the night. The sentence describes a future prediction, so we use future simple. All the documents must be signed before the discussion begins. The documents receive the action, so we need a modal passive structure. Must be plus verb 3. He left the room without saying goodbye. After the preposition without, English uses the ing form of the verb. While I was walking through the park, I saw a man in a funny costume. One action was already in progress when another short action happened. Millions of tourists have visited Dublin so far. So far connects the past with the present, so we use present perfect. Many young people dream about working in the film industry because it gives them an opportunity to express their creativity. After there, we need a noun. Creativity means the ability to create new ideas, so it fits the meaning of the sentence. According to the official website, the exhibition opens to visitors on the 15th of June. English often uses present simple for official schedules and timetables. The museum is preparing a special exhibition to celebrate its 40th year of operation. 40 changes spelling in the ordinal form. 40th. The driver answered messages on his phone while driving through the city centre with several children in the car. It was a very irresponsible decision. The driver behaved in a dangerous and careless way, so we need the negative adjective. The child was standing very near the fire when his mother suddenly pulled him away. Near means close in distance, while nearly means almost. The students expected the lecture to be interesting, but it turned out to be incredibly boring. The lecture caused the feeling, so we use boring, not bored. Nice work. The more grammar traps you recognize, the more natural your English becomes. And if you want to understand the hidden logic behind these answers, check out our grammar lessons on Lingportal.